Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cypress workshop. Today we are going to prepare test scripts in package.json in Cypress. For example, running test, headless, running test in specific viewport, for example for tablets, for mobile devices. We will prepare just running feature files, just running all tests, running only feature files. Let's prepare first test script without options. So let's give the name of the script CI open. It will open Cypress test runner. Let's delete this default test script and right here Cypress open, save it, and let's try to run it. npm run, and we need to copy this name of the script and run it, and it will open Cypress runner. So it works. So let's close it. Let's add one more for headless. CI Cypress run. Cypress run value. Save it. And let's run this test headless. So it works. It finds five files, all APIs, all features, all tests inside in the TypeScript. So it works. Okay, cancel it. Let's prepare next one. So it will be, for example, let's run Cypress tests for mobile devices viewport. Let's give the name Cypress CI mobile, Cypress run headless, and let's give the option based on documentation, this config. We add a config viewport with and let's copy this. And opposite with, we need height. Let's save it and let's try to run it on mobile devices, for mobile devices, for mobile. So it's run it with this viewport width and with viewport height for these 5 files. It's automatically changed viewport width and viewport height. So it works. Okay. Let's prepare the same for tablet viewport. Tablet. Width will be and height will be 768. Save it. Let's check. so it's run correctly based on our config. Let's cancel it. So after we can run some specific folder, for example end-to-end, or we can run some specific file, for example APIs, and it will be the script for running APIs. CI APIs, name of the script, Cypress run, and for opposite config option we need to use another option. It's called spec. This one, we specify the spec file to run. For us it will be apis.ts. So we need to choose this folder Cypress, and to end apis.typescript, save it. Let's try to run only APIs test. So scripts is a useful tool to use it in CI/CDs. So we can see here that here only found APIs, and for API test are done, all spec passed. Okay, this script is working. So next one, I would like to prepare a script for browser that we need to run all tests in Firefox browser. Let's give the name CI's Firefox, Cypress run, and we need to add one more option, browser. Firefox, save it. Let's run it, this script, npm run ci Firefox. So yes, I have a mistake here. Let's run one more time, and we can see that browser will be Firefox. Yes, we can see here Firefox 128, and we run it headless for all our tests. So cancel it, it's working correctly. So let's prepare one more script. For example, let's run this test only for features. So features files, we have a end-to-end folder. We are not able to run it whole this folder. We need run only features files, and we can to do that with help spec option. We can copy this path, just add that we won't run all files from this end-to-end. So I need to write here one sign, this one, and let's write here feature, save it, feature, let's check it. It's incorrect name of the script, it's features, not feature. So it works correctly. It's found only 2 features files. In the same, we can prepare the script only for TypeScript files, for example, right opposite feature TypeScript. And last one script I would like to prepare for some specific config, for example, some timeout, page load timeout. CI Cypress timeout. We need to use option config. We want to run it for all tests. So I need to use page load timeout config, and let's set it for 10 seconds timeout. Let's check it. Timeout, run it. We can see that it's in configuration files, set it page load timeout as a 10 seconds, and it's worked correctly. So for more information, you can check official documentation from Cypress. You can file all different options what you can use. You can use tags, you can use runner UI reporters, and you can prepare some own script what you want. So we can see here that we have a from 9 tests passing 8 tests, and 1 test is just skipped. Skip it here. Yeah. So by using these scripts, you can easily adapt your testing strategy to different environments and scenarios without manually changing settings each time. This is not only saves time but also ensures consistency across your testing efforts. That wraps up our tutorial on preparing and using Cypress scripts in package.json. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your end-to-end testing smoother and more efficient. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave them on the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and hit this notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and happy testing. See you in the next video.